Hello, so I'm going to show you two different ways that you can submit orders. So this first way, we're actually going through our website. So if you guys can tell, this is your 31 website. This is specifically for you. Each consultant has their own website, and you can tailor yours to your needs and add a little flair and personalize it and all that good stuff. So this is what it looks like. Because like I said, there's two different ways that you can place an order, but I am going to be placing it through my website because that is one way that you can place them. So I have the customer's order already set to go. She qualifies for 2 monthly specials too, which you can see up here, but she does not want those. If you hit add an item, it'll show you all the monthly specials, but she does not want that. So we are actually going to go and begin checkout. And hopefully this doesn't give me too much of a hard time because we have an outlet sale going on right now, and all of these items are outlet sale items. And so I know a couple of people have been having some difficulty with placing their orders. So hopefully this does not give me too much difficulty. So I'm putting in all of her information, and like I said before, whenever you have somebody placing an order, make sure that you have all of their information right off the bat so that they will be saved as a contact in your back office. So here's the party area right here. I'm actually under the wrong party, so I need to change it, put it to mine, and then fingers crossed that it goes through because it wasn't earlier today. And I have a feeling, oh, fingers crossed it goes. Ooh, sorry, I get really nervous about this. Okay, so now it's under the right party. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. And you can either say ship to me or you can ship to Brittany Beals, aka the hostess, because under our friends and family party, I am the hostess. So when there's an outlet sale order, for example, always click ship to me. This is our direct ship option. It's $4 extra, but it gives you peace of mind and guarantees that your orders, that you have all the items in your order. And when you click ship to me, it'll ask for all of your information, mailing information or the customer's information and all that stuff, which I do have. So I'm actually going to put all that in. And like I said, this order for Renee is going under my party that I have going on. So even though I'm submitting this order now for Renee, it's not going to matter. It's not going to cause my party to close out or anything. So you are perfectly good there, because I know I had a couple people that were asking me about that. So I'm putting in her address right now, so bear with me, 7430. So it'll populate here in a minute, and it'll calculate the tax and the shipping off to the side. So her total comes to $87.43, which I will take a picture of that real quick and send that to her so that she gets that. So like I said, we're going to hit continue, and we're going to go over to our payment portion of our website, and you can round up or you can say no thanks. I have a lot of customers that will round up. However, this customer said that she did not want to round up, so I will go ahead and say no thank you. And payment methods, you can put gift certificates that you get in your back office and all that good stuff. Like I have a couple customers that earned some certificates, a while ago. So I will be putting that in there for them. Then you will put in all of your information for your card, which, I mean, I don't think I need to put it all in for you, but I'll do. Let me see, because I actually got a text message from this customer, so I'm going to have to go back and adjust the order a little bit. So you'll put your payment info in right here. Apologies on that, because I was going to show you guys step by step, but that's okay. So she texted me and wanted some more items, so I'm going to have to go back and do that real quick. Anyway, sorry, my squirrel moment. So you'll put in your payment info right here. And the CVV is the code on the back, which a lot of people know what that is. So once you're done putting in that information, it will this box will turn pink, and then you'll hit continue, and the order will be submitted through your website, and that is it. So that is our first method on how to place an order, which is through your website. And the next one I'm going to make is going to show you how to place an order in your back office. So stay tuned for that. I will be posting it shortly. Thank you.